Okay, this is a transmission out of a Dodge, a Grand Caravan 2009, 62 TE transmission, and it has an issue with reverse. No reverse. It's from a car dealer. So those of us know when we're dealing with car dealers, oh boy, what we got to deal with. I guess all over the world, people dread dealing with car dealers. But here it is. What's the problem? So it's probably a sensor. Well, here's the codes that came up. You can read that. It says P0734, gear 4 incorrect ratio. It has some misfires and stuff. P0736, reverse incorrect ratio. P0733, gear 3 incorrect ratio. And P0792, intermediate shaft speed sensor A circuit range performance. Okay. 147,000 miles on this transmission. Well, what happened? Well, we saw that there was metal and clutch material when we dropped the pan, so we knew it had to come out. And you see these parts here that was inside of it that was broken. The part that had an issue was right here. This is the compounder, and right here all this is broken. You can see this is just split apart right here. So this piston came out and blew this snap ring right out. Right here. So we're going to have to get another compounder, which these go bad anyway. They ring groove, so it's going to be replaced anyway. But in this case, this thing is broken. So we're going to have to we're going to take this apart and probably have to replace those clutches in there. I'm sure you got to, and put a new compounder on there. Okay, so we see that this right here gave a reverse code, you know, and the symptoms, the drivability symptoms, was when you put in reverse, it just raised. It was as if you was in neutral. You were neutral and out, you know, raising the RPMs up, and you really weren't going anywhere. You could go slowly, but you could tell something was bad. So once again, you have these codes. You have an issue. This is a 62 TE transmission. 62 TE. This is a 2009. And the cause for this no reverse issue was a blown compounder. Okay. Now I'm going to try to take it loose. Now I'll let you see it in detail. Alright, so here is the compounder part, and you can see here where it's busted off. Here's the clutches, and they are burnt. Just going to come out. The piston is probably damaged too. Maybe the seal is cut. We'll find out. I'll take that apart and see. Just going to probably have to replace the piston, and you're going to have to replace the compounder, because the piston will come all the way out and then go back in, be returned by the spring and cut the seal. So we are going to replace this. Let me take that apart, take it to the press, and see if the seal is cracked in there. Okay, this piston got saved. It wasn't cut or anything. So this can be reused. This is a bonded piston. Got to make sure there's no cuts on there, because if it is, you cannot reuse this thing. So far everything is okay. This is a new compounder. You can see that the teeth are all there versus the one that was broken. What did I do with that broken one? Let's see. There's the broken one. The teeth are all broken. And here's the good one. Alright. So we replace this and replace those clutches, put this back together. Then this trans will be ready to go. Okay, again, this had no reverse, and it had those codes that was showing up because of it, and that was because of this low clutch busting out of the piston housing in the compounder.